The word we'll be learning in this section is nende, which you will often hear in casual and formal settings when asking or discussing a person's age. For example, 年齢を聞かないでください. This means, please don't ask my age. The word nende means the age of a person or thing, referring to the number of years it has existed. In everyday conversation, you might say nende to find out or talk about someone's age. The first kanji means year, age, or a unit of years, and is used whenever we talk about time measured in years. It appears in words like nenmatsu, which means the end of the year, where this kanji marks the yearly boundary. It also appears in nenju, meaning all year round, where it shows the span of the year. The second kanji means age or the years of a person, and often carries the nuance of getting older or life stage. It appears in kore, meaning advanced age, where the kanji gives the idea of many years lived. It also appears in rore, meaning old age, emphasizing the state of being aged. Please don't ask my age. 年齢を聞かないでください. 年齢を聞かないでください. I am not good at talking about age. 年齢の話は苦手です. 年齢の話は苦手です. He is in the same age group as me. 彼は私と同じ年齢層です. 彼は私と同じ年齢層です. There is a difference in age. 年齢の違いがあります. 年齢の違いがあります. The most common synonyms of the word nenne are nenji and toshi. While nenji can refer to age in terms of years in a systematic plan like school years, toshi is more general, often used as a casual term for age. The most common antonyms of the word nenne are wakasa and miseinen. Wakasa means youth or young age, highlighting a state of being young. Miseinen refers to being underage or not yet an adult, often used in legal contexts.